Hey guys, Tech Back here. Download the file from the description, which is given in description. Friends, please make button below for more updates. Open Play Store, and open it, and open it. Tap on Browse button to download it file that you have downloaded. After choosing file, click Export and click on Next. Then click on Finish button. So click on OK button. Go to the settings, select iPhone theme. Finally apply theme on your smartphone. Now in your smartphone iPhone. Enjoy. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video.